Good morning, good afternoon, good night. It's Fit here from Coral Sea Property Services. I'm at 1/4 Aplin Street, just at the entrance here. I'm going to do a walkthrough video of this property just to see the ins and outs of what it'd be like owning this property. Thanks for coming with me. Our way to the underground car parking. Every unit has a secure lockable gate as well, so you need your key to access this lock through here and your specific room key to get into your storage. But we'll walk to the actual spot for the unit, the one car spot right next to the front entrance. So you're just coming down this driveway and unit 1 is this spot, just here. Where this grey car is, I'm just trying to avoid the number plates. But yeah, this would be the spot just here. And then you've got the option of either walking across to that side where we came down to take the stairs, or there is a lift just here. And it's pretty much directly in front of where you come down. So thank you so much for coming through 1/4 Aplin Street with me in Townsville City.